Chef here, harvest time. I wanted to share with you just a few of the things that I grew in my garden, and some of it is with assistance from others because I don't have a lot of space. Anyway, awesome spaghetti squash, looking good. Picked this one yesterday. Really nice. I'm going to teach you how to cook that. One more spaghetti squash, love it. These are decorative gourds or Indian gourds. They're really cool looking. I don't eat them. Peppers, these were picked today. You can see by the fresh ends right there. Beautiful, massive sweet peppers. Tomatoes, I have a few varieties here. This is a Cherokee Purple heirloom. Wow. This I don't really know. This is a plum. Yeah, these are going to be good. Subscribe right here and let's get cooking. Oh yeah, it's going to be great. Have a beautiful day. Oh yeah. Boneless, skinless chicken breast made into a French stew. Drop some comments, maybe I'll share this recipe. On a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America. Made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Video I will show you how to maintain cutting boards. Let me see. The first one is my standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight and it'll be totally dry by morning. So if you watch the videos, you already know I do a ton of cooking and a lot of reviews. This cutting board is 10 years plus old. I use a bench scraper. I clean it off like this when I'm done. And I oil it, I maintain it. Very important you use the right products here. I got the Boost Mystery Oil and I got the Boost Board Cream. Both of these are NSF certified, both of these are edible, they're food safe, they're not gonna hurt you. I like them. Doesn't matter if you've got an old cutting board like this or a new cutting board. Here's a brand new slab right here. This comes in all different dimensions, 24 by 48, 24 by 60, 25 by 39 and a quarter, 121 inches by 30, 36 by 96, as big as you want to go. Contact your sponsor. They give you free shipping. I believe there's no tax most areas. It's the good stuff. And this gets treated the same way. Mystery oil every month. Board cream if you prefer. It's a little bit thicker. With that, I'm going to let you go. All of these items are in stock at your sponsor. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Get cooking and have a great day. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you like the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Okay, American black walnut is a beautiful species of wood, makes a great cutting board, countertop, bar top, island top, you name it. I really like this wood. It's nice and hard, very beautiful, a chocolatey brown color. Next, maple. This one here is this is rock maple. It's covered in plastic, but that doesn't matter. You can see the color. It's very, very nice. These are NSF certified. Beautiful, light blonde color. And here we have bamboo. This one's imported. You can see. You get what you pay for. I don't use these. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety, so I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection, no cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America. Made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Yeah, and that's what you get when you use a quality knife. Look at that. Wow. Learn more about it at your sponsor. Right there. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. By the way, the sponsor's got an exclusive on this awesome new knife made in Japan. Butcher blocks. Yeah, butcher blocks made in America. Free shipping. Wow, it's going to be good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. It's going to be good.